The chemicals required are concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid, and sodium bicarbonate.
The apparatus required are one measuring cylinder, one beaker, one glass rod, and one spatula. Materials used are ice cubes and cotton.
First, we pour about 20 milliliter of concentrated sulfuric acid in one measuring cylinder kept inside a conical flask. Then, we add ice cubes to cool the mixture. In that, we add about 10 ml of concentrated nitric acid. The mixture becomes very hot. This mixture is known as nitrating mixture.
Then we pour the nitrating mixture in a beaker.
After that, we add few pieces of cotton into it.
And we soak the cotton pieces into the mixture.
We add more.
A closer view of the soaked cotton in the nitrating mixture.
And keep the mixture for minimum half an hour. The nitrocellulose is getting ready.
After nearly half an hour, we wash the cotton in the beaker in running tap water.
And in that, we add little amount of sodium bicarbonate to neutralize it.
We stir it with a glass rod so that the neutralization reaction is completed properly.
We again wash it, running tap water. And now we can hold it. This is the nitrocellulose. We need to dry it now.
After drying it for more than 24 hours,
our nitrocellulose is ready.
We can see the difference between cotton and nitrocellulose.
The difference in the lighting of cotton, it leaves ash, and nitrocellulose, it does not leave any ash. The difference in the lighting of common cotton and nitrocellulose. Nitrocellulose burns so fast that you can burn it in your hand and nothing happens to your hand.
We can even burn it by holding it with our fingers. Chemistry behind the preparation of nitrocellulose. Cotton wool mainly consists of cellulose, a natural polymer. Nitrocellulose is an extremely flammable substance which can be obtained by nitrating cellulose by mixing it with concentrated sulfuric and nitric acid in the ratio of 2:1 respectively. When nitrated, the nitric acid replaces the hydrogen atoms of hydroxyl groups with the nitro groups, which boosts the flammability of the cellulose. The reaction taking place is as C6H10O5 whole N plus 3HNO3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives C6H7NO2 thrice O5 whole N plus NH2O.